It's 2026, and you cannot continue with that skin that appears so dull and untaken care of. You want to achieve a very glowing, radiant skin, but you're on a budget. You're a student, or you just have a budget for your skincare. I'm going to be putting you on skincare products that you can try, skincare routine that you can try, and I'm going to be telling you about things that you can stop doing, absolutely stop doing, and start doing in your skincare routine that will definitely make a difference. By the end of this video, and after you've tried out all the tips and everything I'm going to talk about in this video, you're definitely going to come back and comment on this video. Trust me, you are definitely going to come back and comment on this particular video. So without wasting much time, without further ado, let's head into today's video. Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Sylvia. If this is the first time you're coming across my channel, on this channel I talk about all things skincare. I make skincare videos, skincare product reviews, I share skincare tips and skincare routines, of course, that could help your skin, help you achieve that flawless, glowing looking skin. Now, on here, I do not give medical advice, well, at least for now, but I mostly review skincare products and share my experience with skincare. Through my experience with skincare, I teach people things I have learned on my skincare journey. So if you've not subscribed, if you love content like this, please do well to hit the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, join my community. Okay. Now, moving into today's video, we'll be talking about body care products that you can use to enhance your skin's appearance. Now, this none of these products are going to bleach your skin. None of these products are going to damage your skin. I'm just going to be telling you things that you should do and things you should stop doing that will help your skincare, your help you see results in your skincare routine. And more importantly, I'm going to be putting you on some skincare products that I've tried, skincare products that are affordable, yet they do the work that they are supposed to do. Now, first of all, one mistake I see a lot of persons make in their skincare journey, particularly with body lotions, is they don't go through the ingredients. I'm not talking about just going through the ingredients and knowing what each all the ingredients in your body lotion or all the ingredients in your body lotion, but also knowing the concentration of these ingredients. Now, stay with me. So, for instance, you bought a particular body lotion, and for some reason, you go back to purchase it. You loved the result on your skin, so you go back to purchase it, and you did not see that particular body lotion again. And you wanted to try another one that you feel could be a good alternative. I'm just stating an instance, like a scenario. That's like the scenario that came to my head, and you bought it, you did not even go through the ingredients, or probably you did, and you felt like, okay, this one contains vitamin C like the other one. I think it's going to be good, and then you start using this new one, and it doesn't give you the same result. Now, the old one could have contained a higher concentration of vitamin C. You see where I'm headed. So it's important, and that was why you were able to see better results with the old one. But this new one, because it contains a lesser concentration, you're not seeing results like you did with the old one. It's important that just like you check the ingredients, which you should start doing. Also, try to know the concentration of this product is really, really going to help with your it's going to change your skincare game. It's going to change the results you start getting from your skincare products and your skincare routine altogether. Now, for a body care routine, if you're on a budget, in fact, you don't even need so much. First of all, I always preach it, and I'm so happy that I've finally found it. At least I have it here to show you guys today. A very good body scrub. Now, this particular body scrub is a brightening body scrub. It contains turmeric. It's apparently whitens and it actually brightens out the skin. All this whitening is just marketing strategy that is written here, it's just for marketing. But then you need a very good brightening body scrub, particularly if you have a caramel skin to light skin tone. You need something that once in a while would help to enhance your skin's natural radiance. And I'm so happy that I've been able to find this one so that I can show you guys live on the screen. As you can see, I've used it to this point. It's so good. It's this is a salt scrub. Regardless, it's I'm going to talk about it in a very different video. But yes, the very first thing you need in your skincare routine is a body scrub to exfoliate your skin. Now, exfoliation is basically taking off those dead skin cells on the surface of your skin to, reveal your radiant skin. And it also helps with the penetration of skincare products onto your skin. It helps your skincare products absorb better when those dead skin cells are taken off. Now, this one does a very good job because not only does it exfoliate, it also helps in brightening, your body, your skin, helps light and brighten up your complexion, helps to smoothen out your skin, and but then to avoid using this on the face. No matter what is written there that you should on your face, please just avoid using it on your face. Okay. So now that you've gotten that step um up, it's very important. See, if you want a glowy skin, exfoliating is so important. Trust me, start exfoliating, you're going to see the difference in your skincare routine. But don't overdo it. 2 to 3 times a week is okay. 2 times a week is okay. Even once a week. Let's say for the very first time you start, you can do 3 to 3 times a week, but subsequently, still once a week is still okay. See, once a week is still okay, and you're still going to get results. Okay. So now up next is a moisturizing bar. When it comes to bar soap, I don't think a cleanser, a bar soap is that step in your skincare routine that you should actually spend so much money on. Take it from me. A bar soap, a cleanser, that's just not the step in your skincare routine that you should waste money on. Take it from me. If you have money for luxury, because maybe you like something that makes your skin feel soft, silky, like the really, really expensive body washes, then definitely go for it. But if you're on a budget, you are a student, you want see, a soap is not that step in your skincare routine that you should splurge so much money on. I'm going to tell you the steps you can. So make sure you stay subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed so that you will not miss all these gist. A very good moisturizing bar would do the job. Just avoid anything that contains their harmful chemicals or that bleaches your skin, or cause it will actually dry out your skin. And the aim of a good soap is to take out the impurities on the surface of your skin, right? So when once the soap now bleaches your skin and dries out your skin, it's not doing its job. So just avoid anything that will bleach your skin, dry out your skin, and will not give you results, and just go for a good moisturizing bath. Now, this is the one I use. I've talked about it over and over on my channel. This is a new pack. I have the one that I'm using to shower currently. This is the Fresh Glow Moisturizing by Milk and Papaya. It's just 750 naira. But I can use this product for almost 2 months and I'm not even done using it. It's very economic. It's good. It brightens out my skin. Like like too much value for that price, and then it leaves my skin moisturized. Now, have you noticed that there are some soaps you use, and when you come out of the bathroom, your body feels so dry? Now, this does not do that to your skin. So that's why I've stuck with it. I was stuck on the duration for the longest time, but after I found this, that kind of value for your money, I've stuck with this. So this has been really, really good for me. Now, moving on next, for your everyday application, all you need is a very gentle, a good everyday body lotion. So, for those of you that know me on this channel, you know that I'm a Nivea girly. But you can find other alternatives. There are other good alternatives. There is Vaseline. There's Jeggings, there's Johnson. Though Johnson is for babies. Yes, that reminds me, another very good soap that you can try. Aside Fresh Glow, you can try Johnson baby soap. I've used it and oh my god, I especially that honey, I think it's with honey infused. That soap is perfect. It's so good. If you want something that you can use every single day, that soap is just so good. It's an amazing bar soap. So then I was talking about body lotions. I use Nivea Perfect and Radiant, but so many persons complain that Nivea makes them dark or it causes reactions on their skin and all that. I've used Nivea for 6, 7 years now. Yeah, since 2019, and I haven't had issues. Though I've used like different types, I think even tone, like the different, but I've stuck with this for the longest time when it's almost finished. Like that has been my favorite body lotion. But there are other really good brands that have body lotions you can use for everyday, like very good maintenance body lotion that I can use every single day. Aside Nivea, I already mentioned Vaseline. Okay, but like the star product of today is a very good body oil. I feel like I've been preaching body oil on this channel, but I haven't actually ever shown you people any evidence or any body oil. Now, this is particularly a body oil, kind of like in a gel form, and it is the Disar vitamin B3 with alpha arbutin body oil. Now, the reason I actually picked this was I used to use the Disar vitamin C was because I saw vitamin B3 and alpha arbutin. Wow, like these are like really, really good products. These are really, really good ingredients rather. So this would just help to, lock in all that moisture and even brighten out your skin. It enhances your skin's glow. First of all, the oil itself is, see, the secret to a glowing skin is a healthy, well hydrated, nourished skin. Once your skin is well hydrated, it will definitely glow. It's definitely glow. So what this oil does, first of all, you know that it's oil, obviously. So it's being on the surface of your skin adds that extra shine. And then this oil now has those benefits of the alpha arbutin and vitamin B3. Now, alpha arbutin also helps to brighten out your skin. It's a very, very good skin brightening ingredient. So yeah, if you have all this in your body care routine, trust me, your skin is going to eat. Because I really do not want to make today's video so long, I really hope you learned something about taking care of your body and helping your body glow. So let me know in the comments what else I should talk about. If there is anything you want me to talk about, let me know in the comments. I'm definitely going to make a video on that. And thank you for sticking around and watching today's video up until today, up until this point. I definitely missed you guys. I was under academic arrest, but that's not the gist for today. I'm going to give people that gist some other day. Thank you so much for staying up until this point once again. See you in my next video. Bye.